With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Here, the question is, the average of n numbers, that is x1, x2, x3 and so on up to xn is a. If x1 is replaced by x plus a into x1, x2 is replaced by x plus a into x2 and so on, find the new average, right? So this means here we can write, we have given that the average of n number, that is as this, is a. So this means we are having x1 plus x2 plus x3 up to xn by n is equals to a. Here the average of these numbers is a, and the question says that if this x1, x2, x3 and these all are replaced as this x1 as x plus a into x plus 1, x2 as x plus a into x2. So let me write here this, if we replace this x1 as x plus a into x1 plus this x2 as x plus a into x2, this x3 as x plus a into x3 and so on up to this xn as x plus a into xn, right? Now here we can write the average of these numbers is divide by n is divide by n. So right here the question says that find the new average, so we can write the new average is, here if we take x plus a common from here all these terms, then we can write x plus a into x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus up to xn, and this whole divide by n, right? Now here from here you can see that at place of this x plus x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus up to xn by n, we can write a. So this means here at place of this we can write a. So we can write x plus a small of a into a is the new average, and hence we can say that this, let me correct here first, average, and hence we can say that this is our final answer. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.